Afterwards, I'm going to prepare the liquids. So that's basically all I'm doing, guys. Just measuring all the ingredients to combine and mix everything together. Um, Baking is time consuming. It's long hours. You have to be on your feet for long hours. So you want to ensure that you're wearing something comfortable, right? And I really like to bake and like to cook, so it don't really bother me. So if you want to purchase any cake or pastry products, you can visit us on Instagram at Tishane's Bakery. That's Tyschanes Bakery. Yeah, so we do birthday cakes, any pastry, cupcakes, carrot cake, cheesecake, carrot cheesecake,